Hello guys, today we will see how you can create the folder and upload the file inside that folder, and also we can see the how you can create the subfolder too. Let's start. Click on the folder, give the name, and continue. Select the folder, then create the subfolder test 2 and continue. Click on the folder. Here you can see this is the subfolder. Like this you can create the main folder and subfolder. Now we will see how you can upload the files, single or multi files. Upload file. Here we have two options, upload file and upload folder. Let's check first with the upload file. Click on the select file, select the file and upload. This is the single file uploaded. Now we will check how to upload multiple files. Select file. Suppose I have two files, this one and this one, and open. Now you can see we have uploaded two files and save the file. We can see here two files are uploaded. Now we can see for the upload folder. Select the folder, select folder and upload. Here is the one pop-up. Click on upload and save the folder. You will see the folder will be uploaded. Here you can see the folder file uploaded. Now there is one more feature where you can simply drag the folder and paste it over here. Let's see. Suppose I want to drop the 2021 to 2022 folder name to this main folder test one. So I'm simply dragging this folder to over here. So this error giving because of this folder not have any file inside it. So I'm taking another folder. Suppose I'm taking the folder file. I want to create the new folder. So I have choose the create main folder. And yes. Now you can see the folder uploaded successfully. Let's see where is it. Here you can see the folder file is uploaded successfully. That's it.